I improved my grades from 8 failed classes to getting 3 HDs in my last semester. And the first question you may ask is, how was that done? What did you do? It's not from studying harder, not from studying more, not studying an extra 6 hours, 10 hours a week. While there were many study tips and strategies that I used, there were 3 shifts and habits I implemented to help improve and get those HD grades. By the way, if you're new here, I'm a lawyer from Melbourne. The content that I post on my blog and on this page is right here. They all come from my reflections of bouncing back from 8 failed classes to now becoming a lawyer. First things first, the first shift to make for yourself is exam preparation starts from the start of the semester, not 2 to 3 weeks before. You will actually start preparing for your exam the moment you start that first day of that semester. The habits, the studying that you do throughout the semester will actually make or break your exam preparation, which will make or break how you do in the exam. So how exactly do you start preparing for your exams at the start of the semester? Brings me on to my second one. One of the first things that you can do to prepare for your exam already on your first day is address things as you go. Build the habit of addressing things as you go, doing things as you go. The moment that you come across something that you don't understand, address it right away. Don't wait until it's 2 to 3 weeks before your exam, because at that point, so many other things that you come across that you don't understand has happened. It accumulates, and then by the time you get to that point before your exam, 2 to 3 weeks before, you have a whole bunch of things that you need to address. So you want to save yourself a stress and just address it right then and there. Just address it right away. Another thing that you want to do as you go, do your exam notes as you go. Create your list of cases as you go. Because, again, the time frame between your last class and your exam isn't that much time. So if you have your exam notes all ready to go, you don't have to waste that precious time creating exam notes. You can actually use that precious time properly revising, properly studying, properly consolidating everything, doing practice questions, actually using that time much more efficiently than simply creating exam notes. Like, have those ready to go. The third thing is creating a study routine for every single unit. Because every single unit is going to be different. Sometimes you have the law ones, which is very, very content heavy. You need the study routine you're going to have for that very content heavy unit is probably going to be different to, say, for example, your elective units, where it's not so content heavy as your law ones. So for example, for one of my units, if I had a class on Wednesday, because I would prefer to do my readings and my lecture before I attend the class, I would do the readings on Monday